was just about to go into the suite, and I thought I should do a YouTube video. So here you go. I'm just going into our suite. I just finished cleaning it yesterday. This is where my husband's dad used to live. Earl, he was awesome. It's got really wide. There's a big space because we knew he would end up in a wheelchair. So the physician recruiter dropped this off for me to leave because the next guest is a doctor. His name is Nick. I'm excited to meet him. He seems nice. Not excited, but he's good at communicating. Anyways, I'm going to post this on YouTube, I think. So it is, what time is it? 2:01. Like, how nice is this? How nice? Tell me. We've often thought about moving over here to the suite. I kind of like the rusticness of this, but only because I'm good at tolerating things deep down. I can't wait for it to be finished. In the meantime. Okay, so how long do they make YouTube videos? Or how long should they be? We're going to put some cement, big, huge blocks right there. So there's like a path behind the house and then a gate behind there. This is a walk-in closet. We have a crawl space here. It's okay to manage, but it's a pain in the ass. Like, it's all, that guy that always says, that's a nope. He would say, okay, that's okay. Good job. DIY and that. Extra linens and such. These are all empty, of course. We need to get one of those stands for a suitcase. That's what I want to go right there. That's a nice blankie. I should put it on there because it's so nice. It's aesthetically nice. Okay, I really want to do something with this right here. I hate that. Okay, I shouldn't say that because to me that word is the only bad word in this world. So I'm excited. Should I put it here or should I put it over here? Let's see how this looks. And we have a little key for him. All the rules and such. We'll take that out because I like to go over them and then we sign them. Yeah, it's so nice in here. Yeah. What else do you think I should do? We'd like a new table, but that's fine. We don't need to buy a new table. But we'd like something different in this area. Even we were thinking an island. Because it does get splishy splashy over here all the time. So maybe if we had like something up a little higher, like this, and then like a big islandy thing. But what would that be? Where would that be? Okay, so that's thoughtful. That's something to ponder. That's a thought to ponder. Okay, I like to vacuum these and then you can see the lines. I like that aesthetically. Best thing ever. It looks all right in here. It's so cute. Okay, ice cubes. I need to put those somewhere because I don't like how it looks. So maybe if I just go like this, then I don't have to see them when I'm over here. Yeah, that's better. Okay, so he's coming tomorrow. So I'm going to go back into the studio. Okay, here we go. I don't know how to clip them together on the editing thing. I'm not sure how to do that. These chairs are in and out of the studio. That's my Hollander beater. Puppet theater, storage projects. This I'm going to move around like that. I'm going to put these shoes over here. Pretty soon the heated floors will be on and yeah, it's so cozy in here. But it's maintenance. Like we have to it's a whole deal. Anyways, we made these. These are fun. They get the job done, Like, kind of love them. Kids love. So there's that. So I'm just pondering what to do with these. If I need to buy more. Yeah, it's pretty awesome stuff. But not so environmentally friendly. Okay, anyways. So I tried to piece videos together. So I'm just wondering what I should do. Like, does anyone want to watch a video of mine? This was a good community project. Oh yeah, I forgot about you. Oh yeah. So Saturday afternoon, I'm opening up now for a while. Okay. Kind of need to tidy this up. This isn't put away. And I'm going to go like that right now. So let's do that. You can see what Mona's up to. Where's she at? She's over here. You keep an eye on Mona for me. Just watch her, okay, you guys? And then I'll move the table around. She's looking at me like, girl, don't even. Okay, so I'm going to move this table. And you're going to watch Mona. I forgot about you guys. I got distracted. How's Mona doing over there, hey? You keeping the guys entertained? Not so much. Okay, so almost 10 minutes. You've been watching Mona. Just fast forward to 9:39. Okay, so I got the table moved, as you can see. I started to put stuff away. This was actually really fun, but the product is not good for the environment, but it's sure fun. Yikes. Anyways, what do I do about that? Don't do it. See? That's what it's all about. Learning about what. What's it about, you guys? Learning about what you want to be. What do you want to be? That's where my glue sticks go right there. This turns, but I'd have to pull this out. Anyway, it's good. Pencil crayons, they go probably around the other side. Yay. So we're going to pull this out. Turn it. I got to put you guys down here for a minute. Only because I don't know how to edit it, piece them together. So I'm doing one 10-minute video. There are pencil crayons there. I do have like overflow paper clay. I have lots of paper clay right now. So I need to do a class with the kids. They'll be excited about that. They love clay. Anyways. I have a bunch of like things I can quickly give a kid to do things. Like that one. These I have to do. I have to make little book covers for a birthday party. I'm just putting I'm thinking of sewing a pocket with my brochure in it. We'll see. Those are sewing projects. This has a place it could go. Look at all these needles, pins, I mean. Let's put those away. Oh, my drink. Nice. Okay, well, I'm sure you guys are like so bored of me right now. I would be. I'm bored of myself. Mona's been acting a little weird. See how she's holding her paw up there like that? She's telling me something. You okay, one? Is it okay, one? Okay, me and Mo are going to hang out here for a bit. Let me know what you want to know. Have a great day. You see them? Little Canadian geese flying. Mona and I are out for our morning walk with Catherine and Jody. And we're out at the wetlands today. This is one of the biggest wetlands in Canada. One of the biggest. This is the Creston Valley. It's just so beautiful. There was some swans, so I got out the camera a little late for that, but Mona loves it here. And we're almost done our 5K loop. This is Highway 3 there. Catherine is the steward of the land.
Yeah. Okay, that was a good enough walk though, wasn't it? Yes. Yeah, and you're a very good dog. You're just an angel. Yes, you're a sweetheart.
You ready to head back down, Catherine?
Yeah.
Okay, I just think I did it in iMovie. I did a bunch of random videos. So I go for walks with this lady named Catherine. She's 86. Go like 5 kilometers. So I kind of clip those in because it's sort of part of my day. Yeah, it's just random. So I'm good. Hope you guys are good. There you go. There's your videos. There's your catch up. I'm not going to promise to post more videos, but hey, who knows? Maybe I'll do something at IKEA. I'm really excited to go to IKEA.